If you have collected out data from forms and if you have data stored on your tables, then you can actually go ahead and display them by adding out list as well. So to do that over here in the section, you can simply go ahead and choose list right here. So now over here in the list, what you can do is you can click on new list and choose a table from where you want the list to be from. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go to accounts right here, and then I'm going to go to all accounts right here and then display out this list. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this out and press OK. And what happens is that it'll simply go ahead and bring in this list right here just like this. So whatever entry that users have done in the form, it will go ahead and be displayed out like this. Or if you have entered out the content yourself as well, then you'll be able to see it like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and add out lists inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.